Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Gemini Exchange mobile app, secure access step by step clearly. Open the Gemini mobile app on your device. If you do not have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is open, tap on the login button on the main screen. You will see fields for your email address and password. Enter the email address associated with your Gemini account. Next, enter your password in the password field. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you will receive a code. Check your preferred authentication method for the code. Enter the two-factor authentication code in the specified field. Double-check your entries for accuracy before proceeding. Once everything is entered correctly, tap the Continue button. If your login details are correct, you will be directed to your account dashboard. In case of an error, verify your email and password, then try again. If you have forgotten your password, tap the Forgot Password link for recovery options. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password if needed. Make sure to keep your login credentials secure to protect your account. After successful login, explore the app features and manage your investments with confidence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.